Is that a weave? Is that your real hair? Bundles, bundles, bundles. Hit that plug up for the bundles.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be talking all about styling this wig, but before I get started, I just want to say don't mind my lips. I was talking but my mic was not working. It was tripping. So this hair that we have in today is from BestHairBuy Hair. This is their new blonde highlight water wavy custom lace front wig. So to style the hair, all I'm using is my wand and my Denman brush. I do want to say that this wig has 13x6 parting, which is larger parting than a normal frontal space, so you can kind of have like a deeper part type of look. But like I said, it did already come with this blonde patch in the front, so I thought that was pretty cool. It is 150 density and it was pre-plucked already with baby hair. So for the styling process, I figured just defining the curls would be kind of boring and repetitive, so I feel like all curly hair looks better wand curl. Like, it just makes it look 10 times more banging. So that's what we finna get into. So I'm using this barrel. It's kind of chunky at the base and then it goes down and gets skinnier. So I'm literally wrapping the hair around almost like I'm wrapping a flexi rod. And once I finish that, I'm gonna go ahead and separate the curls. That's pretty much the whole styling process, but you guys like to watch and see the process, so that's what you're here to do, period. So like I said, once I finished the one side, I went back in and separated the curls, and I literally did it like I was taking apart a finger coil out or twist out, braid out, flexi rod sets, perm rod sets, whatever. Like how in natural styles, when your hair is dry, you go back and separate the curls and you kind of just twirl them in the direction that they were curled. So I went ahead and did that on the one side, and then I went back and finished curling on the other side and did the same thing as well. Once I finished separating the curls, I went in with my pick a little bit to make it just a little bit more fluffy, and then I proceeded to try out some different styles. So first, just the hair worn out, which was cute, clearly. So I went in with some bobby pins next, and kind of like pinned up the front of the wig so that it would kind of give the illusion that I kind of had like curly bangs, kind of like a curly fro. Because I was kind of trying to mimic a curly fro, I did go back in and wand curl a couple more parts at the top so it'll be like a little bit more voluminous and not so flat at the top, because I did originally have the middle part. So next style, guess what it is? My handy dandy pull the bang back out your face style. So I used to do this style all the time my freshman year in college when I was wearing my hair curly. So I literally pulled back the blonde patch and pinned it back and it kind of mimicked the half up half down, but it was not half up half down type thing, which was my favorite, and that's how I ended up wearing it for the day. But overall, I think this ended up really cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the information will be in the description box. Love you guys, and I will see you in the next one.
Mine, I bought it, it's 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 mine, I